Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And updating is not necessarily the right word. I think confirmation is probably more the right word, because both the lines that I talked about in Friday's video match up perfectly, with today's price action. So the first kind of point of confirmation is this area of resistance up here, which I denoted by the red line. You can see quite a bit of price history up around here during the morning portion. And ultimately, when all was said and done, the bulls just could not, stay up around this area. And that did, like I said, act as resistance, and down the price went. But as the price went down, this is where the second point of confirmation comes about. And this revolves around the $3.15 mark, which again, I talked about on Friday as a level of support. And surprise, you can see right here, sure, the price dropped below it a few times, but within, the range of things, you can see that the price clearly, went sideways right around 315, and the price, did close at 317. So the price is still up above that level of support. So up here at around 327, confirmed as resistance, 315 definitely confirmed as support. But it's also a very interesting area because the price is now sitting, right here at that purple line, which it's kind of hidden behind the candles, but if you follow that purple line up, it's sitting right around this vicinity, which is the 50-period simple moving average. So it's kind of like a double whammy right now of supports. You have the 50-period simple moving average, you have this $3.15 line, and from a bullish perspective, this would definitely be an area on the chart that you want to see hold, and so far so good. The price is indeed holding. So 315, definitely that ideal level of support that you want to see hold going into tomorrow and really the remainder of the week. In the event the price cannot hold above 315, next key level of support to keep an eye on, down there at right around $3.09. So not the best way to start off the week with the pullback, but from a big picture perspective, the bulls do still have an opportunity to build a higher base. And when you have higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. So yeah, short term, if you're a day trader and you bought, out of the opening gates, chart's looking pretty iffy for you. But if you care about a bigger, grander scheme of things, then the bulls still, like I said, have that opportunity to build that higher stair step. So we'll see if they can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.